In this short Manifesting Miracles video, you will discover 3 key tips for manifesting success in business. Are you using the law of attraction to help you in your career? If not, you're letting opportunities pass you by every day. Here are 3 keys to manifesting success in business. 1. Recognize that working harder is not necessarily the answer. The law of attraction teaches us that it could be your thoughts, not lack of effort, that's holding you back. Learning to overcome self-defeating thought patterns is more essential to your success than working long hours or working twice as hard as everyone else. 2. Believe that you deserve success. If you have negative thoughts about your own ability or value of work, you're manifesting failure instead of success. Daily affirmations and positive thinking exercises can help you reverse habitual put-downs and self-defeating thoughts. Number 3, define what success means to you. Success means different things to different people, so be clear in communicating your intentions to the universe. Be specific on what you want to manifest. Is it a dollar amount, a promotion, getting your own office, being on television? Using the law of attraction in business can help you advance your career, generate wealth, or achieve other levels of success. All you have to do is define them. For more great video tips and information like these, go to www.manifestandfeelgood.com and download our free Law of Attraction Mini Miracles report today.